Guys, welcome to my channel. So whenever you try to launch Intel driver and support assistant and you want to scan for drivers, if you're receiving this error when you scan it, that is sorry, something went wrong while trying to scan. Now the first step is to on the same website on Google Chrome, here you can see this button, view site information. So click on this view site information button, and over here you can see apps on device. This is, if this is disabled over here, you can turn it on, and you don't have to go anywhere. Just reload the page, or you can just refresh the page, and here you can see the scan is done now, and you can install the driver from here. Now still you are facing the problem. In that case, you can change the default browser. Like you can go to apps and then you can go to default apps. And if the Chrome is your default browser, for example, so here is Chrome is my default. So I can switch to different browser. If you have any other browser, you can switch to different. For example, I'm making Firefox as default, and let me launch Intel driver and support assistant once again. And it's opening Mozilla Firefox, and here you can see it's working. So you can change the browser also. And once you're done, if you want to change back to Chrome, you can always change back to Chrome. So I will just change back to Chrome. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case, you can uninstall Intel driver and support assistant using this uninstaller. So you can open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. And Intel driver and support assistant uninstaller, click on download, and then you can run this exe file. Click on yes to allow, and then I agree, and then click on uninstall. Click on OK to uninstall, and let the uninstall complete. Once the uninstall is complete, restart PC. Restart is a must. Restart your computer, and after the system restart, you can reinstall Intel driver and support assistant again. So restart your computer, and then you can go to Intel driver and support assistant website. Go to the official website, and then you can download it again, install it again. So, but first of all, make sure that it is uninstall is complete. Then you have to restart your computer. Restart is a must after this. Restart, and then you can go to Intel website, download the Intel driver and support assistant, and you can install it, and then you can start using it. So that should help you to fix the error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.